Hi everyone! So this unit deals with something that is part of your everyday life. You know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about something that allows you to evade the present in order to plunge into a parallel universe filled with heroes, supervillains, magical creatures, history, drama, or even a little bit of romance. I'm of course talking about TV series. You are part of an era of streaming platforms, Netflix, phones, computers, etc. So it is very normal that TV series are part of your culture. But did you know that TV series just a few decades ago were very different? Binge watching didn't make any sense, and that is due to the evolution of society. As new technologies were developed, TV shows could adapt. But at the same time, TV shows, because of the subjects they deal with and the images that they show, have forced society to evolve as well. So this is what we're going to explore in this unit. Get started on lesson 1, grab your popcorn and have fun. Bye!